Hello everybody. Today's video is a store tour of the Omega Glassware house which is situated in Keelkattalai, Chennai. The exact location is just above Nilgiris on the first floor of the building. So as we entered, we found that there were exciting and cute stuff. The prices were quite affordable. There were some beautiful decorative pieces. This plate and bowl set was very attractive. There were canisters, glass jars, dining sets, trays, jars, etc. They also had beautiful coffee mugs, juice dispensers, ceramic jars, they have their online presence in Instagram and Facebook as well. They can be contacted via WhatsApp and they send the products across India through courier. Coasters, pocket mirrors, soap dispensers, corner racks, coffee sets, tea sets with teapots, glassware, etc. There were salt and pepper shakers, beautiful mushroom jar set with 4 jars and 3 jars respectively. Oil dispensers, Borosil glass jars, coasters made of wood, bamboo lit glass jars, copper bottles, chopping boards, soup bowls, and a variety of clocks in different sizes and shapes. Colanders, idli cooker, baking trays and tins, aesthetic decor pieces which could be given as gifts were also there. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you like their products, you can contact them online. I have given the details of the store in the description box below. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and follow us on our social media for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.